Hello, Gogo.
Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny.
He's not well. What's the matter, Gogo?
I don't know.
He's changing colour. Gogo!
I'm sorry. I'm not well. May I lie down?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I'm cold. May I have a blanket, please?
Yes, of course you may.
Thank you, Jenny.
Do you want anything?
Yes, I'm thirsty. May I have a drink, please?
Of course you may. Gogo's not well, Mum. May I phone the doctor?
Is he very ill?
He's sneezing and changing colour.
Oh dear. Yes, phone the doctor.
Hello? What's the matter? I don't know. May I touch your forehead? Yes. You're hot. May I look at your throat? Yes. Open your mouth, please. Say, ah. Oh. Have you got a sore throat? Yes, I have. Take 2 pills after meals. Take 2 pills after meals. Meals. Right.
Is he very ill?
No, he's got a cold. It's not serious.
Thank you, Doctor. What are you doing?
I'm eating a meal. Now I can take my pills.
Oh, Gogo! Gogo, it's 12 o'clock. We're hungry.
Ah. May we have lunch, please?
May we have lunch, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Gogo. May I have a burger, please?
Here you are.
Thank you, Gogo. May I have a sandwich, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Gogo.
May I have a hot dog, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Gogo.
May I have an orange, please?
May I have a pear, please?
May I have an apple, please?
Yes, you may.
May I have an apple, please?
May I have an orange, please?
May I have a pear, please?
Yes, you may.